5. Payment processing mistakes costing you thousands. If you're accepting credit cards, debit cards, or online payments, chances are you're leaving a lot of money on the table. In fact, a few simple mistakes could be costing your business thousands of dollars every year in fees. Let's break down the top 5 mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong pricing model. Flat rate pricing is easy, but it's not always the cheapest. If you're using a provider like PayPal, Square, or Shopify that has a one-size-fits-all rate, like 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, you may be overpaying, especially if you process a lot of debit card payments, in-person transactions, or have a high monthly volume. Instead, consider interchange plus pricing, which gives you lower fees based on the actual cost of the transaction, plus a small fixed markup. If you're doing more than, say, $10,000 a month in payments, it may be worth switching. Kulturra can help you choose the right provider and negotiate better rates. See the link in the description for more details. Mistake number 2, manually keying in cards. If you're typing in card numbers manually, that's a red flag for fraud, and payment processors charge higher fees for it. Whenever possible, use chip or tap for in-person payments, secure hosted forms for online payments, or tools like Kulturra's Pay Now links that let customers enter their info directly. These reduce fraud risk and qualify you for lower interchange rates. Mistake number 3, not using AVS and CVV checks. Want lower fees and fewer chargebacks? Turn on AVS, Address Verification System, and CVV checks. These tools verify the billing information matches the cardholder, and when enabled, your transactions are seen as lower risk. Many payment processors reward these features with better rates, and it's a requirement for certain card types. Make sure they're turned on from day 1. Mistake number 4, not sending level 2 or level 3 data. If you're doing B2B transactions, this is a big one. When you send extra invoice data with a payment, like tax amount, item details, or PO number, you qualify for level 2 or level 3 processing rates. That can drop your transaction fees by up to 1%, but most businesses don't do this, either because they don't know how or their software doesn't support it. If you're using Salesforce, it is possible to send level 2 or 3 data automatically, so don't sleep on it. Mistake number 5, sticking with the first provider you found. A lot of businesses sign up for merchant services through their bank or whichever provider came up first on Google, but these providers often charge higher fees, offer less flexibility, and give you minimal support. Instead of being stuck with limited options, work with a partner who helps you pick the right provider, get the best rates, stay PCI compliant, and adjust as your business grows. At Kulturra, that's what we do. We help you select and set up the right merchant services account with clear pricing, lower fees, and smart features. And we don't stop at setup. We offer ongoing support and seamless integrations inside Salesforce, so whether you're a small team or a growing enterprise, our goal is simple: help you get paid faster with fewer fees and zero groundwork. Don't let payment mistakes drain your revenue. Reach out to Kulturra today and let's start saving you money one transaction at a time.